I'll show you how to start your Mustang with a dead key fob. So the first thing you want to do is press this little button in, then open the key, and wow, there's another key inside the key. So you take the key out and then you go to your Mustang and I'll show you what to do with it. Okay, once you do that, you want to go to your car. It's dark outside, but there you go. So this is the door handle on the driver's side. At the bottom of the door, it's going to be a little square thing right there. A little hole for where the key fits in. So you put the key in there, and then you just push the key. You push the key in, you can pull this off and it comes off towards the right. And if you look under the key, under the little piece that comes off, it shows you which direction the key goes and which direction this piece comes off. And once you do that, you can actually put the key in the little keyhole, and turn it to the right. It's going to be a little hard. You turn it to the right and then the door opens. Alright, and then once you get in the car, to start the car, there's another process. Alright, once you get in your car, you want to put your key fob back together. Once you put this back together, so where your cup holder is, what you want to do is remove these inserts here. And there's going to be a little tab thing. You lift the inserts with that, and you pull them out. There you go. They come out just like that. And you see that little hole? That's where you put the key. So the button's facing the front of the car. So drop it in just like that, and then you can start your car. And there you go. Car is started. See, very nice. Pretty straightforward. And that's it. And